Hey, Mauro.
Kevin.
Welcome to Saratoga Springs.
Thank you. First time. And I was talking to Evan. He said he's going to tackle this whole house. He's going to paint the whole thing by himself.
You're going to paint it?
I did it once before.
Putting you out of a job, Mauro.
I don't like that.
All right.
Well, the issue is, though, is over the last 13 years, there's this mold that's accumulated, and I need some advice.
Absolutely. We'll talk about, we'll see how to get rid of that. Then we'll be ready to paint.
You're in good hands.
Definitely. All right, so this is what I'm talking about. You know, it's black, and I just kind of keep calling it mold. Is it mold? Is it something else?
Well, first thing I noticed when I look at this front entryway, you have a mix of both of them. In this area, for instance, you have mildew growing right there.
Okay, so that's mildew.
That's mildew. But when you look up at the surface, you see those little black dots?
Yeah.
Those are mold. Also on this door header, you see a bunch of those little black dots. That's also mold. Mildew comes in 3 different colors: white, brown, and gray. This is mildew, and it's always flat. If you rub your hands against it, you could see some sort of powder on your hand.
Right.
That's what mildew does. Mold, on the other hand, has a little texture to it. And it comes in many different colors. It can be red, it can be brown, it can be purple, red, or black. It's the worst one. So if you rub your hands against that, you will see a little texture. That's what mold does, okay? And the treatment is the same. So for mildew and mold, this is what we're gonna have to clean up.
Okay, great.
Ready to go?
Yeah, let's get after it.
Okay, let's get to it. All right, it's good to have this. This is going to protect us even better. So, but I also want you to use this for your eye protection.
Okay.
Never too much. All right, let's put this on, and then we're going to get the product, the pump sprayer, and we go for it.
Great.
I wanted to open that up for us. I'm going to dump this whole gallon right in there. I'm using a wood cleaner that's made of salts and special detergents. It can be purchased online and in some paint supply stores. The good thing about this, we don't have to add any water to it. We're gonna use the full strength.
Nice.
I got the pump here. It's all ready to go. All we're gonna do is just like this. Just press that thing.
So now, do we have to brush this or scrape it or work it in any way?
Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna let it sit for about 15 minutes, and then we're gonna rinse it off, and then we'll see what else we have to do it.
Well, I can see as it drips down, it's kind of taking some of that black mildew.
It's already
with it.
working. That's a good sign for us. So you wanna do some?
Sure.
You wanna try this?
Yeah.
There we go.
Especially kind of in this corner, you can get around there.
All right, that looks good. Let's give it like about 15 minutes. We'll come back and we'll see what we have to do. All right?
Great.
It looks good already. I like it. Well, take a look at that. With one application, it get rid of about 90%.
Yeah, it looks amazing.
All right, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna rinse this off. Just in case if we need an extra elbow grease, I get one of this.
Sure.
All right? See, if we'll be using bleach, we'll be crying right now. All right?
Yeah.
All right, Evan, give this a nice, solid rinse.
You got it. All right.
Look at that.
It looks amazing.
It looks beautiful.
So what's next, or how soon till I paint?
Now this came out so nice and clean. We're gonna wait about 2 to 3 days to dry really well. And then what I like you to do, to get me a good grade of exterior primer, all right? Primer this whole thing, and then we'll be ready to paint.
Great.
Since you like it so much, let's keep going on the front.
I can do some more.
All right, let's do this.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.